everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a beautiful and trendy bead bracelet that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned jewelry maker, this tutorial is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY videos. Here's what you'll need. Assorted beads of your choice, elastic cord scissors, a bead stopper, charm or pendant step 1. Measure and cut the cord first. Measure the elastic cord around your wrist, leaving a few extra inches for tying knots. Cut the cord once you have the right length. Step 2. Secure one end. Step 3. String the beads. Now, the fun part. Start stringing your beads onto the cord. You can use a pattern or go for a random look. It's entirely up to you. If you want to add a charm, place it in the middle or at the end. Step 5. Tie the knot. Step 6. Trim the excess cord, and there you have it. A beautiful, trendy bead bracelet made by you. It's that simple. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments or tag us on social media. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.